Hey guys, welcome back to Diecast Beast YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna show you these two wonderful castings by Tomica Limited Vintage. So this is Tomica's September release. Sorry for the delay, they have already released the October release as well, but I was a bit busy and had some stuff to do at home, work stuff and everything, so couldn't show you these things before to you guys. I think you guys have already seen these ones in YouTube, Instagram from the other collectors as well, but there you go. This is Mitsubishi Pajero. So this is a very famous vehicle model in all over the world. So anyway, so this is Tomica's first release of this particular casting. So you can see that in this number LVN 189A means the first color variation, B is the second one. I hope they'll do more on this casting because they can do so many different color variations plus customs as well, and police decors. So yeah, let's open these ones. And I haven't taken any photos out of this one, just saw it for a couple of minutes, that's it. All right, let's open number one first. All right, this is LVN, N means new ones, in 90s castings, I think. So all the other stuff is in Japanese. So if you're familiar with Tomica Limited Vintage packagings, so you can clearly see this one is a bit bigger than the other packaging as well, because the vehicle model is bigger. So 1:64 scale, and as you can see, there's a separate mirror piece that we should attach to the casting. I'm not gonna do that at the moment. So anyways, let's open. Right. Alright, oh. Oops. So this is the mirror piece, because you can see that's a cool one. Let me keep it here. And let's open this one. I bought these ones from Hobby Search. Hobby Search website. That's a Japanese web store. They are selling this for a reasonable price. Wow, look at this. I just lost my words. All right, let's see this one. Wow, check this one. Just watch it for a few seconds. So I'm going to remind you again, these ones are very tiny models, 1:64 scale, true 1:64 scale in fact. So no words to say about this casting. They are very highly detailed ones, very premium looks. All right, so the wheels, again, these wheels are just as the casting original wheel design, original rim design. So you can see V6 3500 logo over there, and if you check this one, you can clearly see Exceed. This is the Exceed model. Yes, see the roof, panoramic sunroof, and signal light, chrome side mirrors. I'm happy to see these side mirrors already attached, because sometimes TLV send them as a separate pieces. But finally they have done it with the model. So check the front grille, Mitsubishi logo, old halogen headlights. Wow. And again Exceed logo here, and signal light. See the detail. Even if you check closely, even you can see the keyhole as well, and keyhole for the fuel tank. And Pajero logo, this spare wheel, Mitsubishi logo, Mitsubishi. Wow. And this is a 7-seater version. See, you can see 2 seat levels at the back. Yeah. Oh, pretty cool. See these details. See the details inside. Whoa, awesome. So all right, let's open the let's open the second one. This is a blue color variation. You can see 189B numbering. Alright, let's zoom out a bit first. Oops. That's again the mirror piece. Oh, this casting is exactly similar to the previous one, but I like this blue color variation because this one was very popular in Sri Lanka. This color variation. Yeah, when I was a kid, all these MPs, parliament members, they were using this model Pajero Exceed. Oh, see the wipers. See the sunroof inside. You can clearly see all the details inside through this sunroof. Oh, very premium. If you check these castings together, see, very identical. The only difference is the color. This medium's color stripe. This one has white, this one has blue one. Oh, well done. Nice, like them. Alright guys, so thanks for watching the video in my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit like, hit the bell button as well. So if you guys have any thoughts about these castings or my videos, please leave a comment and visit my Instagram page. I'll post few photos of these castings on my Instagram page. So Diecast Beast and Facebook as well, Diecast Beast. I'll see you guys with another video soon. Alright, bye.